Hello, everyone. Today's topic is Web Developer Certification Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about Web Developer Certification Training Roadmap, about course, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. Now we are discussing about course. Web Developer Certification course is a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the skills required to build dynamic and interactive websites. This course covers essential web development technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and front-end frameworks like React or Angular, along with back-end technologies including Node.js, Express.js, and databases like MongoDB or MySQL. It provides hands-on experience through real-world projects, enabling learners to develop fully functional web applications. This course begins with foundational concepts, including website structure, responsive design, and user interface development using HTML and CSS. JavaScript is introduced to add interactivity, followed by advanced topics like DOM manipulation, ES6+ features, and asynchronous programming. Frameworks and libraries such as React or Angular help learners build scalable and maintainable web applications, while Bootstrap and Tailwind CSS enhance design efficiency. On the back end, students learn about server-side programming with Node.js and Express.js, handling API requests, authentication, and integrating databases. The course also introduces RESTful API development and cloud deployment, ensuring students can deploy their projects on platforms like AWS, Firebase, or Heroku. Security best practices, including data protection and authentication methods, are also covered to prepare students for real-world challenges. One of the key highlights of this certification training is its project-based approach, where learners work on industry-relevant assignments to build a strong portfolio. The curriculum often includes version control using Git and GitHub, DevOps fundamentals, and an introduction to full-stack development using the MERN, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js. By the end of the course, participants gain proficiency in developing and deploying professional web applications. Now we will learn about eligibility criteria for Web Developer Certification Training educational background. While a formal degree is not mandatory, a high school diploma or equivalent is recommended. Some advanced courses may prefer candidates with a background in computer science, IT, or related fields. Basic computer skills. Candidates should be comfortable using computers, navigating websites, and managing files. Familiarity with text editors and basic software tools is helpful. Programming knowledge. No prior coding experience is required for beginner-friendly courses. However, having a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript can be advantageous for faster learning. Logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Web development requires logical reasoning and an analytical mindset to write efficient code and debug errors. Interest in web technologies, a passion for building websites, web applications, or learning about new technologies can be a significant advantage. English proficiency. Since most courses are taught in English, basic reading and comprehension skills are beneficial, especially for understanding technical documentation. Technical requirements. Learners should have access to a computer, Windows, macOS, or Linux, with a stable internet connection to participate in online classes, install necessary software, and complete coding exercises. Next, we are knowing about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of Web Developer Certification Training. Front-end developer develops user interfaces using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular. Works on website responsiveness, accessibility, and performance. Typically earns an average salary of $65,000 to $110,000 per year. Backend developer manages server-side development, databases, and APIs using technologies like Node.js, Express.js, Python, or PHP. Ensures data security, authentication, and application logic. Can expect to make $70,000 to $120,000 per year. Full-stack developer handles both front-end and back-end development, integrating user interfaces with databases and server logic. Works with technologies like the MERN or Mean Stack. Salary ranges between $80,000 to $130,000 per year. UI/UX developer focuses on designing and implementing user-friendly interfaces, improving user experience, and enhancing website interactivity. Works with design tools like Figma and front-end technologies. Typically earns $60,000 to $100,000 per year. Web application developer builds and maintains web-based applications, ensuring performance, scalability, and security. Uses frameworks like Django, Laravel, or ASP.NET. The salary range is generally $75,000 to $120,000 per year. WordPress developer specializes in building and customizing websites using WordPress, themes, and plugins. Works on content management, SEO optimization, and website performance. Can expect to earn $50,000 to $90,000 per year. E-commerce developer develops online stores and payment systems using platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce. Works on security, checkout optimization, and inventory management. Typically earns $65,000 to $110,000 per year. The last topic is training program, GoLogica Web Developer Certification. Training is a comprehensive course designed to equip learners with the essential skills needed to build dynamic and responsive websites. This training covers both front-end and back-end development, enabling participants to become proficient in full-stack web development. The course begins with foundational web technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, ensuring learners understand website structure, styling, and interactivity. It then progresses to advanced front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Bootstrap, allowing participants to create modern, user-friendly web applications. For back-end development, the training covers Node.js, Express.js, and database management with MongoDB or MySQL, enabling students to develop and manage server-side applications efficiently. Learners will gain hands-on experience in building APIs, authentication, and integrating front-end and back-end technologies to create full-stack web applications. This certification program is ideal for aspiring web developers, software engineers, and freelancers who want to build professional websites and web applications. With expert guidance, interactive assignments, and live training sessions, GoLogica ensures students gain in-depth knowledge and job-ready skills. Upon successful completion, learners receive a globally recognized certification, boosting their career prospects in roles like front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, UI/UX developer, and web application developer. With high demand for skilled web developers, this training offers a structured learning path to securing opportunities in the IT industry. Join GoLogica Web Developer Certification Training today and take the first step toward mastering web development and advancing your career in the tech industry.